The Rainbow River is a loving stream down in a valley by a mountain that is pine tree tall. The Rainbow River has a small boy fishing with a worm and a jam jar by the waterfall. Don't make a sound, don't disturb the ground. The biggest fish you ever saw is around, and the Rainbow River gives a rainbow fish as one small boy goes running proudly to his mother's call. The stone-built farmhouse is a rough stone cottage hiding close against the hillside up a winding track. The stone-built farmhouse has a fair-haired farmer wearing wooden shoes and building up a new haystack. Run in the door, stand on the stone floor. The oven opens, there's the biggest loaf you ever saw, and the stone-built farmhouse gives a good, warm welcome as he sits down in his own chair with a Windsor back. The Magpie Meadow is a glowing evening color. Sun is setting quietly and the boy is tired. The Magpie Meadow has a sparrowhawk who hovers hanging on the wind, praying eagle-eyed. Sit by the lantern, watch as the years turn, slowly breathe.